Good day to you all. In today's video, we'll be looking at best scalp trading strategy for Volatility 75. Okay, if you are the type that is looking for how you can scalp trade Volatility 75 successfully, probably due to the fact that you are yet to develop the confidence within you in order to trade successfully for a very long time, or probably you don't have the time, or maybe you don't have the large capital that can hold you on a very long trade, then you need to watch this video to the end, because this is the best strategy you can apply for now till you are able to get to that level where other people are trading for a very long time. So sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will understand the step by step on how to go about it. Okay, but before going fully into that, I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. This is a forex channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you how you can make some money online, especially in the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill on your demo account first before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. Okay, after doing that, then you can now go to your real account to make some money for yourself. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Okay, because this is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So just check below this video now, click on the subscription button, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly we'll be looking at a few things together before going into what we have for today. Okay, we will be analyzing the market together, so let's get into the market. We will be starting with boom 1000, and we are using the signal indicator. We can see this actually started a long uptrend from this support level, got to this support level, gave us a small spike, came down to that level again, it's unable to break it. This time around led to a very long uptrend, and as you can see, the uptrend got to this level before coming down a bit. Okay, we are not very clear if it has ended the uptrend and going back on downtrend, because you can see from yellow line it has changed to blue line again, which means that it might be going back on uptrend. But if this price action actually breaks this blue line, then we may likely get some downtrend get the action price going down into the downtrend. Okay, but if it is unable to break this blue line, then definitely we should experience more spikes happening. So if you must trade carefully, do your analysis before you jump into the trade. And also we will be checking out crash 1000. For crash 1000, it's been an uptrend for a very long time. I'm using the crusher indicator here. You can see the arrow popping out here. It got confirmed a bit late, but still went on full uptrend to this level, which is more than 1 hour trading opportunity. But when it got to this resistance level, it started crashing down. You can see it is that same resistance level that it got to here that led to this downtrend. This time around it has gotten there again and it crashed down. Okay, it's still yet to break this support level. It went up again, got to this support level again, so it is trying to pull back up again, except if it eventually breaks this support level. If it does, then that means it will be going more on a downtrend. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'll be using the scraper indicator for this. Okay, for boom 500, it's been on a uptrend for a very long time. As you can see, the uptrend started from here. Like I used to tell you, the the scraper indicator, QDC scraper indicator, makes it very easy for you to trade this. Okay, if you missed some of my video on this, you can go back to the channel and watch some of the recent videos I created, which I use the QDC scraper indicator to do my analysis here. So this is where the uptrend started from, and this is where you could have placed your order if you actually wanted to trade the uptrend, and you would have benefited from all these spikes that happen, and you should have closed your trade somewhere here. You should have closed your trade somewhere here. Like I always tell you, it will always get you to profit. You should have closed your trade somewhere here just before it will go back on downtrend. Okay, this is where you should close your trade. You can see the margin, you can see the distance, you can see all this, you can see all the profit that you could have made within that region. Okay, right now it is going back on downtrend, so you can still make some profits with this. Okay, but I'll advise you to come in after this support level is broken. Okay, you can come in and it is going to go for a very long time. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500. I will be using the NT indicator here. Like I said, crash 500 started an uptrend yesterday, and it is still going on that. This is 1 hour time frame, so it is more of uptrend than downtrend. So do your analysis very well before you jump into any trade. So I'll be stopping here with the analysis. Okay, so I'll be going straight into what we have for today, which is best scalp trading strategy for volatility 75. You're going to love this strategy because it is very easy and simple to follow through. So just sit tight and watch this video to the very end. Okay, we are almost through, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I will be dropping all my contact details in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, quickly, let's go back into what we have for today. Okay, this is what we will be looking at today. Volatility 75. We'll be looking at how we can repeat and how we can make a lot of money from it. First of all, I would like to let you know that volatility 75, the movement is very funny. It's not that of boom and crash. It goes up and down. For boom and crash, you can place your order now and start making profit immediately. For volatility 75, you can be there in the next 15 minutes and you are yet to make profit. Okay, because it goes up and down till it follows the direction of the trend which you have placed your order. Okay, then another thing I need to let you know about volatility 75 before you start jumping into it is an amazing asset that it can give you a lot of profit because it is highly volatile, and it can also make you lose a lot of money because of the same reason, which is it is highly volatile. Okay, so this is very, very important, and you can sell and buy it depending on what the market is throwing at you. Okay, so that is why you need to do your analysis very well. But this time around, I want to make it very easy for you just to see how you can trade it within a short period and make some profits with your within these periods. Okay, so let's quickly go into the platform to see how we can do this successfully. So we will be using the QDC scraper indicator to do our analysis. This is what I want you to take note of. Come to the third indicator, you can see the red bars and you can see the green bars. Okay, when you have the green bars, it shows that the market is on uptrend. When we have the red bars, it shows that the market is on downtrend. Okay, so let me start with the green bars. Okay, right now we have the green bars, and we have it within this region to this region, as you can see. Okay, so what do we do with this? Okay, this is it. Once we know that we are within the green region, then that means we should focus more on buying. Okay, so what do? We focus more on buy signal. But check it out. Okay, we got our buy signal here, and it started going up. And when you get your sell signal, you exit the market immediately. And focus on your buy signal, do not focus on your sell signal. The reason is we are within the buy region. Okay, so we got another buy signal here, so you can come in here again and be in the market till you see your sell signal. Okay, just for just like the way you see it here. Okay, you can be in the market till this level. This is where we got our sell signal, which is our exit arrow. So you exit the market here, so you make a lot of profits from there. Okay, let's see this. Here is within the downtrend region. You can see that it is red around here, so we got our sell signal. Right now you now focus on sell signal, you don't focus on buy signal. So what am I trying to say? On the main chart, we have both buy and sell signal. The red arrow is the sell signal, while the blue arrow is the buy signal. So whenever the trend is red, then always focus on your sell signal. So right now we are focusing on our sell signal because blue signal will not be strong enough. It won't go for a very long time and it can deceive you to lose your money. Okay, so because the trend is against the signal. Okay, so you can be in the market till this level when the exit arrow will pop out. Okay, so we got another sell signal here, even if it was for a short period, but it's still reasonable. Okay, so check out here again. This is another sell signal. Okay, we got another sell signal here and we should exit the market here. So that is the way it works. Okay, let's check out more. Okay, right here we got a sell signal here and it came down to this level and you can exit your trade there. So you can do this over and over and over again every day. You can do more than 20 trades of this in a day. Okay, more than 20 trades of this in a day, buying and selling in the volatility market. So remember the rules. You buy when the trend indicator is showing green because that is an uptrend. Okay, you sell when the trend is showing red. Okay, because that is a downtrend, and you only close once you see the exit arrow popping out. So this is how you go about it, and that is how you can be successful with it. So all I just want you to do is just to take your time to study this strategy and practice it on your demo account and before you apply it on your real account. This is very, very important, and you can always use that opportunity to observe one or two things that probably I didn't explain on this video. I have a short period just to explain some of this strategy. So it is not possible to explain everything. It is possible that you discover something that you are not clear about while you are practicing, then you can ask your question. So just feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen again, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you and God bless you.